In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Grok AI. We'll move from finding Grok online to setting up a clean, well-structured project that's ready for your files and instructions. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Grok AI. On the results page, click the official Grok AI link to head straight to grok.com. Once the site loads, look to the bottom left corner of the page. Just above your profile icon, you'll see the sidebar control. Click the expand icon to open the full navigation menu so everything is easy to find. With the sidebar expanded, choose Projects. This takes you to the workspace where all of your projects live. To create a new one, click the plus icon or the New Project button. This opens a setup panel for your project details. Start by entering a clear project name. Pick something descriptive that you and your teammates will recognize later, like a brief phrase that captures the goal. Keeping names consistent will save time as your list grows. Next, add project instructions. This is where you tell Grok what the project is about and how you want it to behave. Be specific about the objective, the audience, and any rules that matter, such as tone, formatting preferences, or definitions for key terms. Short paragraphs and bullet-style lines work well here, and you can paste in existing requirements from your documentation. Think of this as the North Star for every task in the project. When your instructions look good, click Next. You'll land on the project sources screen, which is all about the information Grok will use. Click Add files to upload the materials you want the project to reference. Typical choices include PDFs, docs, spreadsheets, or text files. Use the most up-to-date versions, keep file names meaningful, and avoid duplicates to reduce confusion. If you have several large files, uploading in batches can help speed things up. After your files finish uploading, review the list to make sure everything you need is there. If something is missing, you can add more now or come back later to update the project. Finally, click Create. Grok will set up the project with your name, instructions, and sources, and you're done. From here, your project is ready to use, and you can refine it anytime by updating instructions or adding new files. That's it, your project in Grok AI is created and ready to go.